No TV? No monitor? You can use your phone as a screen for almost any device. Yes, your smartphone can display video from DVRs, gaming consoles, PCs, TV boxes, and more. And the best part? It's cheap, portable, and incredibly easy to set up. This trick is perfect for anyone who needs a quick screen solution, whether you're a technician, a gamer, or just someone trying to test a device without a monitor nearby. Instead of looking for a TV, you can turn your phone into a portable display. Here's what you'll need: an OTG adapter, a USB video capture card, and an HDMI cable. All of these are very affordable and easy to find. Some capture cards even come ready for mobile use with OTG support built in. Now let's set it up. First, install an external camera viewer app on your phone. We're using an Android phone in this example, but the process is very similar on iPhones. You just need to download the app from the Apple App Store. Next, connect the HDMI cable to your device. In this example, we're using a DVR, but as mentioned, this works with almost any video device. Then connect the HDMI cable to the capture card. After that, plug the USB capture card into the OTG adapter. And finally, connect the OTG adapter to your phone. If your device is older and doesn't have HDMI output, you can use a VGA to HDMI converter. And for even older devices that use component video, you can also use a component to HDMI converter. Once everything is connected, the image will instantly appear on your phone screen. From there, you can access menus, test devices, or even use it as a temporary monitor anywhere. This is extremely useful for fieldwork, troubleshooting, or even gaming on the go. Did you know you could use your phone like this? What would you use it for: gaming, CCTV, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy practical tech tips like this, subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit the like button to support the channel. God bless you.